You ever feel like you're doing everything right, but nothing's happening? You're showing up. You're putting in the work. You're trying to stay positive. But everything still feels stuck. Here's the truth most people don't say out loud. Success doesn't come when it's convenient. It comes when it's earned. And most people give up right before their moment was about to arrive. Let's be real. This world rewards action, but it doesn't always reward it immediately. Whether you're trying to start a business, land your dream job, graduate, or get your life together, you're going to face setbacks, doubts, and days where quitting feels easier than continuing. But here's what separates those who make it from those who don't. They show up anyway, even when no one's watching, even when the results are invisible. Think of any successful person you admire. Steve Jobs, Oprah, Elon Musk, Kobe Bryant. Every one of them had a season when things weren't working. You know what they did? They kept going. You're not behind. We live in a world that loves to compare. Someone on Instagram just bought a house. Your friend just launched a business. Some 19-year-old just became a millionaire with crypto. But here's the thing. You're not behind. You're on your path. And your timeline is not meant to look like anyone else's. You're not a failure because it's taking time. You're a builder. And builders take longer because they're building something that lasts. Now, let's talk action. It's not just about grinding. It's about staying focused, intentional, and resilient. Here are 3 things to remind yourself daily. 1. Progress is rarely loud. Success is often a series of quiet decisions. That email you sent. That meeting you showed up for. That time you said no to a distraction. 2. Discipline. Motivation. Motivation fades. Discipline keeps you moving. Set systems, not just goals. 3. Your environment matters. Surround yourself with people who challenge you. Clean up your digital space. Feed your mind content that pushes you forward, like this video. So here's my final ask. Don't quit. Not now. Not after everything you've fought through to get here. Your breakthrough may not come tomorrow, but it will come if you don't stop showing up today. You are not weak for feeling tired. You are strong for continuing anyway. Your story's not over. In fact, the best chapter might just be the one you're writing right now. Stand up, take a breath, refocus. The world hasn't seen the best of you yet. And for more Vedio, please like and subscribe.